Hello and welcome to your 84th SQL Server tutorial. This is the real 84th tutorial. In my last tutorial I said it was the 84th, but I was wrong. It was the 83rd. So anyways, in case there's any confusion, in this tutorial I'm going to be covering updating database statistics. So, to get started, if you watched the last couple of tutorials, you might be wondering, why should statistics be manually updated if the auto update statistics option is set to true? Doesn't SQL Server do a good job of updating the statistics? Well, in most cases, the answer is yes, and you should not manually update statistics too often. Each time statistics are updated, queries must be recompiled, requiring the optimizer to invalidate cached execution plans, so the optimizer must generate a new execution plan for the query. If this process is constantly repeated, it could negatively affect performance. Now, with the auto update statistics option set to true, most of the statistics will be updated regularly by SQL Server. However, there will be times when you need to manually update the statistics, very similar to indexes. Statistics should be updated when query performance is slow or when there have been changes to the underlying data, more specifically inserts. In addition, you should consider updating statistics after maintenance operations. Now, you can manually update statistics using Management Studio or T-SQL. You can update only a single statistic at a time with SQL Server Management Studio, but with T-SQL, you can update a single statistic, all the statistics for a given table or index, or all the statistics in a database. So it's more robust. You have more options with T-SQL. Statistics can be updated using the SP underscore update stats or update statistics. The following that I've outlaid right here are sample scripts that update statistics at various levels. Both sample scripts that I have here are the simplest forms available, but you should note that both have different options that can be specified. Okay, so we're not going to execute that. Those are just sample scripts. We can move along. What we're going to do now is we're going to go through the procedure of how to update stats using Management Studio. So, okay, if you're not already here, open Management Studio and connect to a server. And once you're there, we want to expand the databases folder. We want to expand AdventureWorks 2012. We want to expand the tables folder. Then we're going down to sales order header. Okay, there it is. We want to expand that. Now we want to expand the statistics folder. And then we're going down all the way down here to the last one, the primary key underscore sales order header underscore sales order ID. We're going to right click that, and then we're going to go to properties. Okay. Now, towards the bottom here of the statistics properties box here, you see this checkbox that says update statistics for these columns. Okay, so we want to go ahead and select this, and then we're going to click OK, and the statistics are now up to date. You now know how to update statistics using Management Studio. Something to take note of. Now, while you're able to obviously update statistics using Management Studio, it's definitely not as flexible, I kind of touched on this, as using T-SQL. In the event of, say, an emergency, you could use this method in Management Studio to quickly update a particular statistic, but it's generally a best practice and easier just to defer to T-SQL. It's just a more all-around effective approach that way. So, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the 85th tutorial. Bye.